Senior life insurance. Are you really getting a good deal? Do you know you could be throwing away thousands of dollars on your senior life insurance policy without even realizing it? Many seniors, caregivers, and even financial planners are missing critical details that erode the value of these essential plans. You might be overpaying, or worse, your policy might not deliver what you expect when it matters most. This isn't just about saving a few dollars. It's about protecting your legacy, ensuring your loved ones are truly secure, and making sure every hard-earned penny works for you. Before we continue, in our last video, we broke down the best life insurance options for 2025, tailored specifically for seniors. If you have not watched that video, please do well to watch it, like and subscribe so you never get to miss any updates from us. Now, we're going to expose the hidden costs that insurance companies often don't want you to see. We'll show you exactly how to identify them and, more importantly, how to avoid them. By the end of this video, you'll be empowered with the knowledge to make informed decisions about your senior life insurance. You'll understand the pitfalls and gain actionable strategies to secure your financial future. This is crucial information for anyone navigating the complexities of life insurance in their golden years. The hidden problem. Many people purchase life insurance with the best intentions, believing they're securing peace of mind for their families. However, the reality for many seniors is that hidden costs silently chip away at their investment. These unseen expenses can significantly diminish the policy's true value over time. You might be paying premiums that escalate unexpectedly, or your policy's payout could be worth far less than anticipated due to factors you haven't considered. This isn't about blaming anyone. It's about shedding light on a complex system. We're here to help you navigate it. We're going to pull back the curtain on these hidden costs. We'll reveal how they impact your financial security and what you can do about them. This isn't just theory. It's practical, actionable advice designed to protect your money and your family's future. Hidden cost number 1. The escalating premium trap. The first major hidden cost, and often the most obvious one, is the premium itself. While you know you're paying a monthly or annual fee, many seniors are unaware of how rapidly these premiums can increase. As you age, your risk profile changes, and so does the cost of your coverage. Many policies, especially certain types of term life insurance, have built-in premium increases that can become astronomical in later years. What started as an affordable payment can quickly become a significant financial burden. This can force seniors to drop their coverage just when they need it most. Imagine paying into a policy for years, only to find the premiums become unaffordable in your 70s or 80s. This is a common scenario that catches many off guard. We'll discuss later how to identify policies with predictable premium structures and avoid this trap. Some policies might offer an initial low rate, but then step up dramatically after a certain period, like 5 or 10 years. This can be particularly deceptive if you're not scrutinizing the fine print. Understanding the premium schedule for the entire life of the policy is absolutely critical. Don't assume your premium will remain constant. Always ask for a detailed premium schedule that shows exactly what you'll pay year after year. This transparency is your first line of defense against unexpected cost hikes. Hidden cost number 2. Policy fees and riders. Are you paying for what you don't need? Beyond the base premium, life insurance policies often come loaded with various fees and optional riders. These can add up significantly, sometimes without providing proportional value. Understanding these additional charges is crucial to assessing the true cost of your coverage. Monthly administrative fees, policy maintenance charges, and even fees for accessing cash value can quietly eat into your policy's benefits. These small, recurring charges might seem insignificant individually, but over decades, they accumulate into substantial sums. They reduce the net benefit your beneficiaries receive. Then there are riders. These are add-ons that promise extra benefits, like accidental death benefits, waiver of premium, or critical illness riders. While some riders can be genuinely valuable, many are unnecessary for your specific situation and simply inflate your premium. For example, an accidental death benefit rider might sound appealing, but the likelihood of death by accident is statistically low, especially in older age. Are you paying extra for a benefit you're unlikely to use? We'll break down which riders are generally worthwhile and which are often wasteful. It's easy to get swayed by the promise of comprehensive coverage, but each rider comes with a cost. You need to critically evaluate if that cost provides a tangible, necessary benefit for your unique circumstances. Don't just accept every rider offered. Question its value. Hidden cost number 3. Inflation. The silent killer of your payout value. Perhaps the most insidious hidden cost is inflation. While not a direct charge on your policy statement, Inflation silently erodes the purchasing power of your policy's payout over time. A $100,000 payout today will be worth significantly less in 20 or 30 years. Consider a policy purchased decades ago for $50,000. While that amount might have seemed substantial at the time, its real value today, adjusted for inflation, is far less. Your beneficiaries might receive the nominal amount, but its ability to cover future expenses like funeral costs or outstanding debts will be diminished. This is particularly critical for seniors who purchase policies with the intention of covering future costs. If your policy's death benefit doesn't grow, or if its cash value component doesn't keep pace with rising costs, you're effectively losing money. Your financial security is being silently undermined. Many whole life or universal life policies have a cash value component. The growth of this cash value is often touted as a benefit. However, you need to scrutinize the actual rate of return on that cash value. Does it genuinely outpace inflation and policy fees? If the growth rate is low, or if fees consume a significant portion of the gains, your cash value might not be growing in real terms. This means your savings within the policy are losing purchasing power. We'll show you how to assess if a policy's growth keeps up with inflation. Actionable Solution 1. Comparison shopping, your best defense. Now that we've exposed some of the hidden costs, let's talk about solutions. The first and most powerful tool at your disposal is comparison shopping. Never settle for the first quote you receive, no matter how appealing it seems. Insurance policies vary wildly in terms of premiums, fees, and benefits. What's a good deal for one person might be a terrible one for another. You need to get multiple quotes from different providers to understand the market. This allows you to identify outliers and find competitive rates. But comparison shopping isn't just about the premium. It's about comparing the fine print. Look closely at the policy's terms and conditions, the premium schedule over time, and any embedded fees. Understand the surrender charges, the cash value growth projections, and the specifics of any riders. Don't be afraid to ask direct questions about how premiums might change in the future. Inquire about all potential fees, not just the obvious ones. A thorough comparison involves more than just looking at the bottom line. It requires digging into the details. Use online comparison tools, but also speak directly with agents from different companies. This comprehensive approach ensures you're not just getting a good price, but a good policy that truly meets your needs without hidden surprises. Actionable Solution 2. Regular policy review. Adapt and optimize. Life changes, and so should your insurance coverage. The policy you purchased 5, 10, or even 20 years ago might no longer be the best fit for your current situation. Regular policy reviews are essential to ensure your coverage aligns with your changing needs and budget. Have your financial circumstances changed? Are your beneficiaries still the same? Have your health conditions evolved? All these factors can impact the suitability and cost-effectiveness of your current policy. What was once a perfect fit might now be an expensive mismatch. During a policy review, you might discover that you're overinsured, paying for more coverage than you truly need. Or, conversely, you might find that your coverage is insufficient due to inflation or increased financial obligations. A review helps you right-size your policy. This is also an opportunity to reevaluate those riders we discussed earlier. Are you still benefiting from them? Can you remove unnecessary riders to lower your premium without compromising essential coverage? Many people pay for riders they no longer need or understand. Make it a habit to review your life insurance policy at least every few years, or whenever a significant life event occurs. This proactive approach can save you money and ensure your policy remains a valuable asset, not a hidden liability. Actionable Solution 3. Seek expert advice, your financial navigator. Navigating the complexities of senior life insurance can be daunting. The jargon, the fine print, and the sheer number of options can be overwhelming. This is where seeking expert advice becomes invaluable. A qualified financial advisor can be your navigator through this intricate landscape. A good financial advisor doesn't just sell you a policy. They help you understand your needs, analyze your existing coverage, and compare options from various providers. They can explain the nuances of different policy types, clarify confusing terms, and highlight potential pitfalls. They can help you understand the long-term implications of premium structures and cash value growth. They can also advise on whether a whole life, universal life, or term life policy is most appropriate for your specific goals and financial situation. Their expertise can save you from costly mistakes. When choosing an advisor, look for someone who is independent and works as a fiduciary. This means they are legally obligated to act in your best interest, not just to sell you a product. Ask about their experience with senior life insurance and their fee structure. Don't hesitate to ask tough questions. A good advisor will welcome them and provide clear, understandable answers. Their guidance can empower you to make truly informed decisions, ensuring your senior life insurance policy is a source of security, not a hidden drain on your finances. What's next? We've covered a lot of ground today, exposing the hidden costs that can undermine your senior life insurance policy. Remember these key takeaways. Watch out for escalating premiums that can become unaffordable in later years. Scrutinize all policy fees and riders, ensuring you're not paying for unnecessary extras. Be aware of inflation, the silent killer that erodes the real value of your policy's payout over time. Your solutions are clear. Always comparison shop for multiple quotes and dive deep into the fine print. Regularly review your policy to ensure it still aligns with your changing needs and budget. And most importantly, seek expert advice from a qualified, independent financial advisor. By taking these steps, you can transform your life insurance from a potential hidden cost into a powerful tool for financial security and peace of mind. You deserve to understand exactly what you're paying for and what you're getting in return. But what about the outright scams that target seniors? How can you truly know if you're getting the absolute best deal, not just a good one? And what are the specific red flags to watch out for when dealing with insurance agents? In our next video, we'll dive even deeper. We'll reveal the common scams targeting seniors in the life insurance market and provide a definitive checklist for finding the best senior life insurance policy for your unique needs. Don't miss it. Click the link to watch part 2 now and empower yourself further.